loyal stranger you meet face to face. I've waited a long time. It's all because of you that we now have this opportunity. Hero, enjoyed working with you here. One day she'll be a fine leader of the Alabama Club. Yeah, one day. I'm reminded of the story. When the daimyo warriors were defeated to legend, the one who finally succeeded was a man by the name of Oda Nobunaga. Do you know how he did? Everyone who opposed him. Thanks to you, all those who oppose him here are dead. I resist. Asia is universe. Fortune that will bring here in the West will be more than enough to continue all American expansion. And now it's time for you.
Good job mag-get nung books calling talaga. Ba't books agad? Assignment. We're looking sa assignment pa read your assignment. Meron ba? Do you have assignment?
For assignment.
Sige. Do you have?
가져가는 건 찾으면
Do you have?
찾을 수 있다는 거죠. 근데 이걸 찾을 수 있다 없다 솔직하게 말씀드리면 이게 뭐 발전시키기 좀 어려운데 이거 좀 더 수월하게 좀 찾을 수는 있어요.
Do you have?
근데 잠시만 실망하지 마요. 이게 들어오다 보니까 좀 응시되게 있어요. 여기 가끔 찾아보시면
I'm looking for
혹시나 만약에
late.
무슨 문제가 생겼어요. 그러면 내가 다 처리할 거니까
Yun na?
내 뒤에 꼭 붙었으면
Patapin na.
Then how
괜히
to place it in the table?
Wait lang, read muna.
내가 누군지 알려줄게요.
My pencil.
Read muna, read.
I identified speakers whose names begin with Y. Cut out the letters below and glue them to make the words.
Okay, sige.
This
What's the first month? What's the first month, Kaiser?
ito po.
January. Okay. Next? What's next?
March.
Huh? January.
January.
Ito, you read.
February.
Oh, you're right.
Okay na ba ito?
Okay naman. Galing talaga ni Kaiser mag-color. Good job. Good job ka ba?
Opo.
Galing yan. Nice.
Color that one.
Opo.
Also.
It's the bag. I think brown is pwede. When you're big na, you will watch these videos ng kid ka kayo. Kaiser. Pag big ka na, you will watch YouTube account ni Papa. you will watch your videos, mga kids videos niya.
There are different kinds of weather.
Oh, are there different kinds of weather ba?
Yes, it's the sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and stormy.
Okay, what will you put?
Check.
Next.
The sky looks gloomy on a cloudy day.
What?
Yes.
Okay, what's the
There are
next?
strong winds on a stormy day.
Oh, what?
Yes.
Okay.
Check.
Next.
The sun shines brightly on a stormy day. X.
Why? Because
Because the sun is hiding.
yes, ang galing nga. Doon na. High five. Galing Kaiser. Good job Ay, clean up na. Clean up yung mga pencil and color. Tapos books. Ang galing talaga. Doon na.